Hi, my name is Hani. I live in Moshav Idan in the Arava with my family, my husband and 3 kids. I'm the director of ACAT, Arava International Center for Agriculture Training. For the last 21 years, we have been bringing young students from developing countries, from Asia and Africa. Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nepal, Indonesia, Ethiopia, and South Sudan. ACAT is a win-win program. We train our students to become the future leaders in dairy homes and lead innovation and changes in agriculture. They go back home with knowledge, skills, motivation, different way of thinking, and inspiration from the Arava farmers. All our graduates are goodwill ambassadors to Israel. Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. ACAT Teach.
Hi, my name is Mayan. I work at the Research and Development Center of the Arava for the past 10 years. I'm in charge of the flower research. I try to introduce new cut flowers to the Arava and new products at the flowers section, and also I'm supporting the farmers with knowledge for existing cut flowers that they grow here in the Arava. As part of my work, I also work closely with the educational system at the Arava. We are supporting the students during the research works in the high school, and in the primary school we receive the students here and teach them a little bit about the Arava, about the conditions that we have, and about the agriculture that we do here.
Hello, my name is Eilon Gadiel. I've been residing in the Arava for nearly 4 decades. I'm a member of Moshav and Yahav, where I grow pepper and dates. My wife and I are proud of our 2 children, and we're also blessed with 2 delightful granddaughters. I was director of Central Northern Arava Research and Development Center, and I'm also serving as a volunteer in partnership with that. Currently, I work on my farm and as an advisor to agroeconomic development projects in developing countries. During the past 50 years, the growers of the Arava Valley have proven that it's possible to do the impossible. We have developed first-class agriculture and built an oasis, a thriving community in the middle of the desert, despite the weather, salty soil, and saline water.
My name is Gidon Winters. I live in Moshav Idan. I have 2 amazing boys, Jonathan and Daniel. Seagrasses are very interesting plants. They have very important ecological services. They provide fish nurseries. They have roots which hold the sand and prevent erosion of the beach. They're very important in photosynthesis, so primary production in the marine environment, and they're very, very important in carbon burials. Seagrasses are a very important player in burying carbon from the atmosphere into the sea. In addition to working on seagrasses, I also work on acacia trees. Acacia trees are the main and sometimes only tree that is found in the Arava region. They are the major source of food for all the animals, so all the ecosystem in the Arava region basically depends on acacia trees. So if you lose acacia trees, you don't only lose the trees themselves, but you lose all the associated animals and plants.
Hi, my name is Yair Cohen. I'm the manager of the aquaculture group in the Arava R&D Center. I arrived with my family about a year and a half ago from New Zealand, where we spent almost 10 years, where I did my master's and PhD, focusing on fish aquaculture and endocrinology. We have a few projects that are running currently at the Aquaculture Center. Aquaponics, which is an integrated growth of edible fish with vegetables. The other project that we have is working with microalgae to locate or find antioxidants that can be sold on commercially on the market. We also work with macroalgae and try and use them to produce proteins for the food industry. And the third project that we have is bringing new species of ornamental fish to develop protocols so that the local farmers can use them to breed them, to grow them, and to export them to Europe.
Shalom, my name is Rivki Ophir. I live in Chatzeva. I earned my PhD in Ben Gurion University in biology. I joined the Arava Research and Development Center in 1998 after I spent 2 years in Melbourne, Australia in the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute. My main focus is drug discovery, and I based my research on desert plant as source of new material against disease. This project enabled me to recruit a student from Jordan. Her name is Zainab, and together we study a specific plant that contains a very interesting compound against cancer. I even dream about recruiting scientists that will combine drug discovery with the new area of stem cells research.